initially, a few years ago, most models were trained for 1 epoch or less. And the idea was that you would overfit for anything more. And then Galactica, which is the paper that came out in the late 2022 or 2023, they were one of the pioneers in trying to train a model for multiple epochs. So they trained it for 4 or 5 epochs, and it was still fine. But once you train it for even more than that, the utility that you get per sample is reduced. Now, when we say 1 epoch, it's one full training data set. But within a particular training data set, there are going to be a lot of duplicates. And sometimes a lot of these duplicates are, boilerplate stuff, which are not very useful in teaching anything, and they need to be removed. And once you remove them, you can have a lot less data. And there have been papers from the last 2 years showing that deduplication enhances your sample efficiency. So you need fewer tokens to perform the same amount of learning if you deduplicate well. This topic is complex because if you have very high quality data, you would like to upsample it. And that's what's also happening. For many open source models, for example, Wikipedia is upsampled and seen many times during the training process within a single epoch. And also it's for multiple epoch. But deduplication of stuff that is not very important is very useful. Usually, many models before 2023 were having a difficult time because it's a technically hard challenge. You have to do it across scale. People have been using algorithms like MinHash, etc. for this because it's not just removing duplicates, it's removing near duplicates. In most cases, there will be small changes in different documents, basically some formatting changes, HTML changes, etc. And because of that, there will be slight differences between duplicate documents. So doing that has been a hard task. What DeepSeek did, this is one of the things that they did in their 67B model, which came out over a year ago. Instead of a single dump, they deduplicated across like 91 common crawl dumps. This is a very important thing to get right. And 2 years ago, there was this discussion about whether deduplication helps at all or not. And I remember when I first started writing my book 2 years ago, I had to write a section showing both sides. But I think right now it's more or less settled. Deduplication is very useful.